We all know that there's going to be a rally on the 13th, the rally of the Iglesia ni Cristo. And they're pushing nga po na wag nang ituloy yung impeachment. And of course, we know how powerful the Iglesia ni Cristo is. So, especially sa politics. So, do you think po ba itong pag-aalangan ng ilang mga possible sponsors nito ay dahil they're possibly going to court the Iglesia? Kasi this is going to be I know na medyo may nandun yung chance na they might not support or they might support it, pero baka bawian sila ng Iglesia sa 2025 elections. Your thoughts on it?
It's unfortunate na may mga religious sector may religious sect na I think naman yung kanilang rally for justice daw, no, or support, parang in support na rin for peace pala, for peace, pero siyempre karapatan nila yun mag-rally or magpahayag. Pero siyempre sa bahagi namin, ano ba yung panawagan ng grupo na ito for accountability, no? For accountability, siyempre transparency, at saka mapanagot talaga si Vice President Sara Duterte doon sa ginawa niya, spent doon sa confidential funds, at matrial na, no, matuloy na talaga yung trial. So, siyempre hindi naman makakapagsalita para doon sa aking mga kasamahan sa Kongreso. But hopefully, itong grupo na ito, ma-encourage na natin yung ating mga kasamahan to endorse itong impeachment complaint. Yan, baka merong may dadagdag yung ating mga complainants. Si
I'm Sylvia. Gusto ko lang i-share ang alam ko. This is my personal opinion and also the information I gathered na ang iglesia they're asking their members to come regarding the budget, regarding the imperfection of the budget, without specifying that it's about the anti-impeachment. So I think a lot of the congressmen and the senators are actually waiting for the voice of the people. And the voice of the people is for impeachment, because the ongoing delay of the ICC, the frustration and the exposure of the people in the Philippines, not only here but worldwide, watching the TFC Quadcom, has already conditioned the people to wait for something concrete out of all these investigations. And so, if the congressmen and the senators don't give what the people want, I think in the end this will not be beneficial to them. So they really have to weigh their actions. It should not be what INC wants, because INC is not even transparent with their own people in the way they are inviting them to join the January 13 rally. That is my information.